more day yapa. Now I was for another day. I just said the day in my career, ever to that. Say I'm as a sporting club, the greatest club. Ever now I am a yes, a partnership agreement. The time my query, the guy, the firm, all these financial technologies. Now, I will train them on the one tell him or buy Papa. Timothy Monia, who said, or more assets, yeah, and a born Papa KORBA. Now, Papa free. Ọmọ yẹ tùmọ̀kú a sìkàsẹ́mu ẹ̀fà abẹ́fọ̀ kwan so tẹ̀kọ́lọ́tù ẹ̀nà ọmọ yẹ ẹ̀sẹ̀ kúrò. Èdè sáàmìlì ẹ̀yẹ́ mẹ́rin jí sẹ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ kàkyerẹ́ ọ̀kọ̀bí sùn ní nyinaa sẹ́ Kọ́bà company yẹn ọmọ sign 1 year sponsorship and partnership agreement. Ní nyinaa ni sẹ́ bọ́nsẹ́ wẹ̀. Maybe the FTR say, open sponsors, open partners, and I'm sorry, and serving so, and yes, you will say, yeah, until Yasha say, I ate one more. I told Papa Aguswa, another Koba, everybody for every to 1 year. Now, see the chair, almost out of wine, oh, I'll be for Panso, Ama is it Casamso, Aquaso. I just knew almost so you are here with you. Hey, it's true. I am. They had to say, water is life. It's true. You are here. Why? It's as I'm not so after our second sponsors, say, Koba, open before her. Almost stage is now, but the commission calling her a woman. Koba, all these financial technologies. I'm trade name, Koba. I'm going for her. I'm stage so now you want Same, anybody for a buyer. Mercury and cry, and almost cheaper. Come up in front of my husband. Your father, Samuel Ishen, is the head of corporate business. You also Samuel Audu, a bar and whatever in our free Ashanti reading. It was in the northern sector on the head, the zonal head for the northern sector. And then the third person, Wisdom Officer, he is the assistant manager for retail. Someone free and another almost now Koba Limited anymore. And then everyone used to make a show say, only as a sporting club, as a 1 year sponsorship and partnership agreement. Okay, you want to go just you know, tell the medical camera, and so much money over here. All the supply is so, no matter how much is the car, tell the medical protocol. If you are here, you are if you are official addressing sponsors. The beer will be a Summit Industries Limited, the producers of Lake Country Mineral Water, Lake Country LE, and then Country COUNTRY. Control Lake Country Manufacturer. Almost a usual protocol of the Shepard EU. The first of one Shepard they are the producers of Lake Country Mineral Water, Summit Industries Limited. Only a dozen. The unit ensure a fellow in the country. The if you agree, we as a people push in here. It's so well, the next 2 years, hey, Lee County mineral water. It will tell you. It's low. As I am here, they say, so you know, Lee County, you didn't be able to somebody may have been put out there. And you buy a little good along. You think, Mr. Yao Donko, he's the owner overall boss of Summit Industries Limited, producers of the country mineral water. Next. Next, Mr. Daniel Abropa, Operations Manager. Next, Mr. William Affair, in charge of sales and marketing. Last but not least, Daniel Atiko, a basic assembler, accountant. Never shall one shop on the way. If you know, if you minister, only as a ticket aside, sponsorship agreement, almost supply, so any cigar, as I tell you, never shall one of them. Then your father,